Alright guys, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. And today is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Today is Wednesday. And man, today the market's got me, man. I'm not gonna lie, I got caught up in this mess and they got me, man. As you can see, uh basically, it's in the middle. Just it was a consolidating day today, It wasn't trending. It was just a consolidating day, and they got me, man. Um, I know you can't see probably right here, but I lost 400 down here. Um, I lost 400. So, uh, yeah, I upped my risk. So I'm doing 10 micros now because my rebuild date is on the 11th. So I'm upping my risk. That way, either I pass the account or I fail it because my rebuild date literally the 11th and it's the 5th right now. So if I just need a if I up my risk, worst comes to worst, right? I uh I blow the account. At least I get a free account on the rebuild day instead of having to reset it and then get rebuild again, stuff like that. So I'm like, that's why I up my risk a little bit. But other than that, man, let's get into today, what I thought, my thought process, and all that good stuff. So, we come into the day, and this was the last trade I took yesterday, right? So, I'm like, okay, I really want to go long, right? I still like the longs a lot. So, I'm like, okay, what do I see? I see price when it got to this level. Oh, the heck? Well, I don't have the arrow on this one. Anyways, when price got to this level right here, it jumped up, right? So this tell me this is an important key level. This is where I feel like price had found support, actual support, right? So I'm okay. Let me wait until it comes down, reaches my yellow zone, so that way I can take it back up. Find that entry area, take it back up. Well, unfortunately, that didn't happen. Um, I saw I saw this head and shoulders right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I saw this head and shoulders. Boom. That indicated that price wanted to go down. So I'm like, okay, I saw that. Okay, let me go down to smaller time frames. So I go down to smaller time frames, right? And I'm looking, and I'm like, okay, we still need to come back here. Price can still retrace all the way back here, right? So let me draw a little Fibonacci, right? And as you can see right here, it barely touches my yellow zone. And if it touches my yellow zone, um, I'll take it, right? So I'm like, it engulfed. I mean, you get a nice engulfing right here. You see that right there? So I'm like, I want to take that. Like, I'll take that any day. So I went in. Meeting got stopped down like 10, 15 minutes, yeah. And I'm like, okay. Um, really, when that happened, I wasn't mad at myself, to be honest. Um, because I mean, at the end of the day, I follow my rules, right? I literally price broke this because once I got up here, I was looking at this. If price broke this low down here, then I know price is telling me that it wants to go down lower. So if it was going to be trending, this would have been a perfect opportunity, but it decided to consolidate, right? It decided to range. Um, so I'm like, okay, whatever. I took that loss and I was like, I don't like how the market is right now. I don't like how the market is. Like, it's just real choppy, you guys. I mean, look at this. Look at this market. It's so choppy. So, I mean, honestly, the market was really choppy today and really consolidating. So that's why, I took one trade. It was a loss. Oh well, it is what it is. We still won yesterday. Um, we won big yesterday. So it's just now about tomorrow getting back on track, getting that W again. Um, and the thing is that I want my losses to pay for my wins, right? So my losses always have to be smaller than my wins, and my wins always have to be bigger than my losses. Man, and the way that the market was today, it was kind of frustrating me because it was really in the middle, right? It was consolidating, and it's just like, man, you see these big candles, like just these big candles. It was hard for me to find an entry. Like this was a 6 point candle, a 6 point candle. This was a 11 point candle. If y'all thinking about forex, this is 110 pips. This is one candle is 110 pips. This was 60. Oh no, yeah, about like 60 pips, 58 pips. So man, these were like just big moves. Like I probably would have entered right here, but this candle was so big, it broke it so fast that it didn't give me opportunity. That's why when I drew out my Fibonacci, I thought it was still gonna go down to at least my support right here. When it touched my support, then I'd be like, okay, now it's hitting true structure. Um, so now let me see if we can find an entry area, but um, I didn't, it didn't happen that way. So, mm, yeah, man, looking back, it's just like I don't know what I could have done better, to be honest. Maybe I could have not traded today. This was not a trading day, but I never knew that the market was gonna do this. Um, you know, like I don't know, when I'm doing it real time, I don't know the market's, is gonna do this bull crap, man. So, I mean, that's why I'm just trying to process my thoughts right now too, because um I really can't see a way where I could have been like, okay, I could have took this move up because it's not part of my trading plan. The only move I see is this one right here on the 15 minute, right? My stop loss would have had to been huge though, like huge. And not seeing this foreplay, like, oh, that would have been my stop loss would have been, yeah, it would have been huge, man. It would have been too big. So really, today was a no trading day, but I took one trade and lost. I lost that quick, man. Like quick. After this bull crap, it just shot up. Like I'm like, dang, okay, so I was really wrong. Like the market wanted to consolidate instead of going up, man. So it's just like, man, it is what it is, man. You take losses, you take wins. We thankful for both, to be honest, because we learn. Actually, I learn more from my losses than my wins, so I'm thankful for them. It's just a little upsetting, but hey, I could have caught a trade right here on this resistance. This would have been a beautiful one actually, but this one's 11:15. It's like kind of outside of my trading time. Um, but yeah, after this big candle, I'm like, yeah, I'm done looking at the chart. Yeah, that was at 10. I was like, I was done. I was done looking at the charts because it just kept going. The price didn't know where it wanted to go. And we had a lot of news today, too. How much news did we have today? Just look at that. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. Look at that. Wednesday. A bunch of news. Red folder, 7:15. Red folder, 9:15. We had a bunch of news today. And I think that's what caused price to just consolidate. Mm. But we'll see. We'll be back tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully the market gives us the opportunity to get into a trade tomorrow, and yeah, man, we'll come back stronger tomorrow. So nonetheless, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Um, if you're new, always remember that Jesus loves you. Peace.